it looks like a trail. So recently they made a lot of trails in this park in Cheektowaga. It's called the Raymond Park. There are like 3 different parks here, all in the same area with different names. And previously there was no trail, but now they have like a lot of trails. I saw a kitten here. I tried to save it. I tried to trap it, but I couldn't trap it. I think it's dead by now. I'm just so sad. So this is the little trail in Raymond Park, Cheektowaga. Please go feed stray animals, rescue stray animals, adopt stray animals, socialize them, adopt, don't shop, be kind. Bye. Assalamualaikum.